Now joining us on the show, he joins us from Copenhagen. To begin with, tell us, sir, what's your outlook for the year 2012?
We have guided the full year with, again, a double-digit growth, 10 to 12%, and an improvement of our operating income. And we feel strong about this opportunity. We see strong growth in BRIC countries. I should mention India as a special focus area where we have not just sales, but also a very strong innovation department. And we saw more than 60% growth rates in India. So we see how these new markets need world-class software to run their businesses in a global environment, and SAP is the preferred choice.
Mr. Snab, your CFO said last year that the company is well positioned to meet its target of an operating margin of 35% by the middle of the decade, as well as the long term. But given the events that we are seeing playing out in various markets across the world, would you scale this target down?
No, we stay firm on our opportunity to become a 20 billion euro revenue company by 2015 and increase our margin stepwise along the way. And we've done that now for 9 quarters in a row. We think we can continue to increase the efficiency of SAP by using our own software. And with that, we stay firm on our midterm guidance for the company.
Now, 2012 is expected to be a tough year for Europe, but SAP has always managed to do very well compared to others. So, do you have any expansion plans in the pipeline? And if you could tell us whether there are any acquisitions as well in the pipeline.
Yeah, we already have seen how we can maneuver in an uncertain Europe. We have had uncertainty in Europe for more than a year. And I actually believe that companies, even in Europe, are looking for real-time analytics to make sure they can run their company in the most effective way in spite of uncertainty. In that sense, they still choose SAP to help them do that. We see the growth, of course, above average in Asia-Pacific, in India, in China, in Brazil, in Russia. And we were the first global company to really go into these markets, and therefore we have the strongest presence. And we see there that in particular the new innovations like mobile is being picked up very fast.
And also quickly, Mr. Snab, what's your sense of the business environment in the Eurozone and even Europe at large?
It is a market of uncertainty. There are some countries that have significant challenges with debt. But companies in Europe are global companies, and in spite of the governmental challenges and debt situation in the country, we see that these companies have strong cash positions, and they are willing to invest in innovative software to help improve their business and drive global opportunities. And so in that sense, we continue to see Europe as a major market, and we also believe in growth opportunities in this market because of our innovation strategy.
Jim Hagemann, Snab, many thanks for coming in on the show with actually walking us through your second quarter.